So I recently received a new order from Instamojo and I have automatically notified my sales team on Telegram about the same order. As you can see, this is the message which is sent on this Telegram group which says new payment received, the customer name, the email, the payment ID, the amount and the product purchased. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we're going to create in today's video, that whenever we receive a new sale from Instamojo, instantly our sales team on Telegram should be notified. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of messages, or you can say you can send up to 100 of messages for free to your Telegram team, notify them for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Instamojo V2. Make sure to select Instamojo V2. So let's search for the same and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new sale and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Instamojo V2. Now you have to make sure that your Instamojo account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So let's just click on this authorize, give Pabbly all the permissions and create the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. Now you can see it is saying connected and it has given me the webhook URL. So let's just copy this webhook URL and open an Instamojo account. Now you have to select the payment page for which you want to create this automation. So I want to create this automation for this page, which is Java Notes for Professionals. So go on this three dots and then edit page. Once you come on this edit page, from the left hand of the side, go on this page settings and then webhooks. Now I have already added this webhook once, so it is showing. But over here, if you haven't added, you're going to get this toggle button switched off. So switch it on right from here. Simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. For the information to be sent, select it as successful payments and click on this save and update and then yes, save and update. Now as you can see that we have successfully added our webhook URL right over here in this page. I'm just going to show you, this is the same webhook URL. So yes, with this we have successfully created the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. But now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, we have to purchase this product. Okay, so in order to purchase this product, go on this three dots, click on the share page, copy the page URL and open it in a new tab. After you open this in a new tab, click on this enroll now. Now simply enter the details. Alright, now let's click on this add delivery information, enter the delivery information and switch off this use GST for payment, and now click on this proceed to pay button. Now it is asking me for the payment method, so I'm going to select it as scan and pay. So let's select it, and now it is asking me to pay this much amount. Alright, so let's pay this, and now we have completed the payment and it is saying thank you, your payment is successful. Thank you for your order. So we have successfully purchased this course. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds till it is going to capture the response for the same details. This will be the email address, this will be the phone number and the name which we entered. Alright, so let's just wait for a few seconds. So now you can see we have successfully captured the response and all the details are exactly the same, be it the buyer name, phone number, email or the address. Now let's notify our sales team about the same. So close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Telegram bot. Okay, so let's search for Telegram bot over here and select the same right over here. For the event, select it as send a text message or reply and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me and click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Telegram, search for bot father and click on this start button. Now this message will be sent, so select /new bot and it is saying alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So I am going to name this bot as new payment bot and now it is asking me for the username. So let's keep the username as new underscore payment underscore tudes underscore bot. So we have to end this username with underscore bot. This is mandatory. So now you can see the bot is created and over here is the token. So let's just copy and paste this token. Then click on this save and your Telegram bot account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you add this bot in your chat. So let's just copy the bot username and open the chat and add this bot in this group. Okay, so go on the group name, then you have to go on this add members, search for the same username and add this bot in this group. Not only add this bot in this group, but give the bot the admin access. For that you have to go towards this edit icon and then administrators and click on this add new administrator and select the bot and click on this tick button and this bot will be promoted to admin. Okay, after this bot is promoted to admin, we're going to go back towards our workflow. Now it is asking me for the chat ID, so simply open the group in which you want to send the messages and copy this chat ID. It will start after hashtag and you also have to copy the hyphen. So copy and paste it right over here. You have to make sure before copy pasting the chat ID that your Telegram is in A version. If it is in K version, just go on this three dots more and switch to A version right from here. Like it is giving me the option to switch to K version. Alright, after this it is asking for the text message. So let's enter the text message exactly the same which we entered right over here. So let's just copy and paste this and over here what we're going to do, we are going to simply just change the details. Okay, but over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the customer details manually by tapping it like this or by copy pasting it, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to enter these details, you have to search for the details, and for that you have to put a slash, search for the detail and map it like this. For the product, put a slash, search for the product name. So let's search for the product name right over here, and as you can see that this is the product name, so let's just map it. Now let's move on further. It is saying message thread ID, reply to message ID and many another details. So keep the details are exactly the same if you don't want to change, and click on this save and send test request just like me. You have received the positive response that you have notified our sales team. So let's open our Telegram and a new message is sent. Not only this, but now whenever I am going to receive a new payment from Instamojo, instantly my sales team will be notified on Telegram about the new payment received. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.